Welcome back. A social worker from England, Judy Gillard, has come forward to help the Dhangars in Bicholi. She provided with the people financial help. Gillard, after watching Prudent's report on the living of Savarghat and Valwada people, helped them financially. It's a prudent impact. Uday Parab reports.
These are the Dhangars living in Savarghat and Vadawal Bicholim. These people are neglected by the government authorities. They live in a pitiable state. Prudent had highlighted the plight of these Dhangars.
ह्या गावचे हिताक किंवा ह्या गावचा फुडार घडपाक ह्या लोकांनी मदत करपाची आणि हे प्रश्न हा ती प्रसार माध्यमातूनही उठयल्ले आसा. आमच्या परीन आमी कामां करता.
एक आर्थिक मदत ह्या गांवा खातीर केल्या कित्याक आमकां कळ्ळें की आमचे जे गोंयकार भाव आसात आनी आमी एक बरी परिस्थितीन रावता आनी आमचे थोडे भाव एक खूब वायट परिस्थितीन ह्या पयसल्या गांवांनी रावता. आमकां दिसलें की थंय वचोन त्या गांव भावांक आमी हेल्प करचें. पण चड करून ह्या गांव भावां कडेन आमी पावले अशें की आमचे पत्रकार भावांनी आमकां खूब हेल्प केल्या म्हणून आमी इतले पयस येवन आमकां ही मदत दिवंक शकले.
Judy Gillard, a social worker from England, after watching Prudent's news, came forward to help the Dhangar community in Bicholim.
It's just I felt I wanted to give something back after having so many years of enjoyment here in Goa and to help people who have so little when we in the West have so much. It's just something little that we can do. In England we have things called coffee mornings and I have this at my house. We sell things, we bring them by, we make cakes, we sell cakes. I have lots of photographs of all the different enterprises that we've helped over the years and people who in my village, they come to the house and they provide money.
Judy is a social worker from past 14 years. She selflessly helps the poor and needy. Reporter Uday Parab for Prudent.
Vasco-based Tilak Stadium looks set to become a hub of football as its renovation nears completion. The SAG facility will be used again for football from first week of April, with arena lighting being the crowning glory. Being a small stadium, a full capacity crowd for evening kickoff could be a regular feature at Tilak Maidan in near future.
Vasco-cars were deprived of football for a long time since massive upgradation work was going on at this facility. But now the Tilak Maidan is ready and looks inviting for football fraternity. Coach of Dampo Sports Club, Armand Culasso, praised the facility.
What's difference? They're doing a good job. Everybody is working hard. We also want to play here in natural grass. There's a lot of change. Floodlights are beautiful. The turf also is good, but then it'll take a little more time so that it gets on an even surface. पण मातशें काम आहा मातशें पूण चलता बरे भाशेन सगळें पॉझिटिव्ह आनी म्हाका दिसता मुखार सगळे वास्कोच येतले येवपाक कित्याक फ्रंट लायक रियली सुपर.
Secretary of Salgaonkar Football Club R. Gomes hopes a lot of people will come to watch football under lights.
It's very nice, good feeling. We are expecting much more and hopefully everything will be done before our first match, which we are now thinking of having on the 4th of April under floodlights, live telecast. And it's played within Salgaonkars and Pride United Calcutta. Hope a lot of crowd comes and give a good feel to the stadium, since it is done with a lot of money and government has taken special interest in the same.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
An inter-municipality football tournament was held at Fatorda ground on Saturday. 5 municipalities from the state took part in the competition. Vasco, Bicholi, Kepe and Kunkoli besides Madgaon played in the tournament. Madgaon municipality had fielded 2 teams, both of whom reached the finals. Madgaon A were the winners while Madgaon B were the runners-up.
Good pass by Gito. Magadista goal Zapatosa. Good ball safe color by Rajun. Konate to 4-wheeler की चावी मेरा semi-final जाऊँ सा. आईचे भी साथे runners up. Winners and runners.
Meanwhile, the SAG Fatorda Stadium manager Gurudas Vernikar was left helpless as the player brought their vehicles on the ground.
हांव येवच्या पयलीं गाडयो भितर घेतिल्ल्यो आमी अशी नॉर्मली गाडयो अलाउड करना पूण तेणी आमचे कोण सामान हाडला हें खाली करपा जाय तें खाली करपा जाय तेच्यानी गाडयो आमी इवन चेअरपर्सनाक सुद्दां रिक्वेस्ट केल्लें गाडयो भितर आयल्या त्यो भायर काडा म्हणून.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.